Thank you for visiting this property tour. If you need additional information on this property after the tour, please get in touch with the listing agent. This move-in ready, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is full of charm. Solid wood cabinetry, smooth ceilings, and solid surfaces throughout. All stainless appliances in this spacious kitchen. No necessary renovations to budget for here. Lovely backyard. Covered parking in rear with plenty of extra parking too. Zoned Richland Elementary, White Station Middle, White Station High. Photos coming April 11, 2020.